You don't chase money. You become someone money naturally flows to. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. That's a quote from Dr. Wayne Dyer. The more you chase money, the more it runs. Because chasing is rooted in lack. You don't need to beg the universe, you need to align with it. Money doesn't respond to effort, it responds to energy. If money were your partner, would it feel chased, used, ignored, or respected, welcomed, and celebrated? True attraction happens when you feel worthy now, not when you're trying to prove you deserve it. When you bless what you have, you create space for more. That's the law of increase. If you feel anxious about money, it responds that way. And if you feel peace, so does it. Each morning, just list 3 things that increase your energy. Then do at least 1. Honestly, it's not the action, it's the vibration. Energy first, wealth second, every time. You are not meant to chase, you are meant to attract. And it starts right now. Comment below, I'm aligned with the energy of money. And hey, subscribe for Chapter 5, it's only getting more powerful.